Hey, it's your boy Taylor Grant. I'm here with BellatorClaims Resolution. That's BellatorClaims Resolution. And I'm here to talk to you about the denial of the day. Today's comes to us from Iris of Broomfield. After being several years with this insurance company, a storm hit my area. I made a claim and the roofing company came to inspect and showed me that my house had roof gutters and siding damage as well as window damage. Insurance company just agreed to pay half of the roof and a small part of the siding. Come on, man. I wouldn't recommend this company to anybody. What a bad company. After charging me a lot of money for my insurance for years, they just send me a letter to tell me they won't renew my policy for the small claim they paid for. So again, insurance companies do things that may or may not be right. And you have to move forward with the best intentions and doing what you know is right. And sometimes they'll respond in kind, other times you'll have to get somebody like us involved to help you adjust your claim. We're public insurance adjusters. We're licensed to help you adjust your claim and fight the insurance company when they're being unfair from legitimate damage to your property. And if we're being reasonable and they're not, that's a problem, right? That's a problem. We just want them to be fair. You, me, we pay insurance premiums for coverage of insurance when we need it. Insurance is a different animal. It's not like you're buying a TV and then it breaks and you can just buy another TV. No, that's not how this works. Insurance, you have a covered cause of loss. You can't find another insurance company to cover that same loss. You have to work with the insurance company that had insured that loss or against that loss, okay, at the time that it happened. So there's so many different things I could go into it. It would take forever, much longer than the video that you want to watch, much longer than the video that I want to create right now. But what I'm getting to is this: insurance is a different animal, okay? And that's why they're heavily regulated by the state, is because you as the consumer should be protected. They're the ones that write the policies. They're the ones that have billions of dollars, okay? So just know this: when you're not being treated fairly by the insurance company, I want you to contact us, okay? Contact us sooner than later. It's BellatorClaims.com. That's BellatorClaims.com. Right there, add claims.com, and then contact us today. We'll see what we can do to help you out.